Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the baby face trend that's been going around on TikTok. To do it, you have to open the CapCut app and you're just going to select the video and the photo, and you're going to select style. Then you're just going to select baby face and it's going to generate it for you. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit because it is a square, so I'm just going to go back and I'm also going to select format and choose the 1x1 picture. You can also add in like a transition if you want, like a video transition, by copying it, deleting the style, like here in the middle you can choose any that you want, for instance this turn page one, or maybe then and now. Maybe this one first then, if you want to use the then and now video transition. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!